Welcome back, currency collectors and rare money enthusiasts. Today, we are diving deep into the world of United States paper currency with something truly fascinating, a 2017 $1 star note with the serial number G001155578 star, found in fine condition and stirring excitement in today's collector market. Whether you are new to banknote collecting or a seasoned professional, this note is a shining example of what makes currency hunting so thrilling. With its unique serial number, limited printing, and increasing demand, this particular star note isn't just worth its face value. It's a treasure with growing value in the modern collectibles market. Stick with me, because over the next few minutes, we are going to uncover its full story and find out why collectors are keeping a very close eye on notes like this. Let us start with a little background. The 2017 Series 1 Federal Reserve notes were issued by the Bureau of Engraving and Printing and continue the long-standing tradition of the George Washington portrait on the obverse, or front, of the note. This iconic image has graced the United States $1 bill since 1929 and represents stability, heritage, and national pride. To the right of the portrait, you will see the Federal Reserve Bank identifier. In this case, the letter G indicates it was printed for the Federal Reserve Bank of Chicago. On the reverse side, the bill maintains its classic design, featuring the Great Seal of the United States. The all-seeing eye atop a pyramid and the eagle clutching arrows and an olive branch both remain strong symbols of American freedom and preparedness. While the design itself hasn't drastically changed, it is the rarity and circumstances around this particular note that truly make it shine. What sets this note apart from ordinary $1 bills is the presence of a star at the end of its serial number, making it a star note. Star notes are replacements for misprinted or damaged bills during the printing process. Rather than duplicate a serial number, the Bureau of Engraving and Printing issues a note with a star, creating an instantly distinguishable and collectible version of the standard bill. In our case, G01157 star is particularly interesting. The low serial number, starting with several leading zeros, adds additional appeal for collectors. Low-numbered star notes are significantly harder to find in circulation, and when combined with the replacement rarity, they become an instant point of interest in the currency world. Rarity plays a crucial role in determining the value of any collectible, and this note checks all the boxes. First, star notes are printed in much smaller quantities than regular notes. Then, the specific Federal Reserve District, in this case Chicago, may have produced fewer replacements for that year compared to other banks. This narrows down the number of existing examples even more. Combine that with a fine condition, which shows it has been circulated but still maintains its structural integrity and visual appeal, and you have a note that balances real-world history with collector desirability. Another factor that boosts demand is the surge of interest in modern star notes. Collectors have begun paying close attention to recent star notes as fewer people saved them early on. That means the supply available today is even more limited. And let us not forget unique serial numbers like G0011557 star make it a standout example, especially for those looking to add diversity to their collection. Let us talk about the numbers, the real market value. While face value is just $1, the collector value of a 2017 $1 star note, like G0011557 star in fine condition, is far more significant. In today's market, collectors are paying anywhere between $80,000 or more, depending on demand, scarcity, and the uniqueness of the serial number. Some well-preserved or especially low serial number star notes are known to fetch even higher prices at auction, sometimes reaching $100,000 or beyond if the note is in better condition or if it is part of a sought-after run. As interest in modern star notes rises, the value is expected to appreciate over time. This is not just a piece of currency, it is an investment in history and rarity. Many serious collectors see star notes like this one as undervalued in today's market and are snapping them up now while prices remain reasonable. For those of you looking to start or expand your collection, now is a prime time to focus on star notes. First, always check your change. Star notes still circulate, and if you keep your eyes open, you might just spot one in your wallet. When collecting, condition matters. While fine condition is respectable, anything from very fine to uncirculated can command significantly higher prices. Keep an eye out for low serial numbers, radar numbers, or repeaters, as these add a premium on top of the star note value. Also, track your notes using online star note lookup tools, which can tell you how many were printed and how rare your specific note really is. Protective sleeves are a must to preserve the value of your paper money, and storing them in a temperature-controlled, humidity-free environment will keep them safe for years to come. So there you have it, the story of the 2017 $1 star note G00115578 star, a piece of American currency that is far more valuable than it looks. It represents a fascinating mix of rarity, history, and collectability, and it is gaining attention across the collector market for good reason. Whether you are a seasoned numismatist or just starting out, this note is a worthy addition to any collection. With demand for modern star notes on the rise and values climbing in today's action-driven marketplace, now is the time to search, collect, and hold on to these rare pieces of paper money history. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more about rare coins and currency, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And do not forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on valuable finds that could be hiding in your pocket right now. Thanks for watching, and happy collecting.